in Siesta Key, staying at the Hyatt. Our first day of vacation, relaxing, unwinding from our afternoon of travel, late arrival last night. Very nice day. It's a beautiful morning. Taking a stroll along Siesta Key. Pretty busy here, April vacation week. Monday afternoon, we are on our way to the Mote Aquarium. We hung out at the beach, hung out at the pool, grabbed a quick bite to eat in the room. Now we're going to enjoy the Mote Aquarium. Pretty cool. We're here at the Mote Aquarium. They have a lot of great tanks. Teach you about the Florida ecosystem, some hands-on exhibits, some VR rides. What sound is that?
This is a cusk.
That's a cusk eel.
Pork.
What's a red grouper sound like?
That's a porkfish.
That's a porkfish?
It's a red grouper.
There's two buildings here at the Mote Aquarium. We saw the sharks, did the touch tank with the stingray. Now we're gonna go see the otters and other animals in the second building. That was our afternoon visit to the Mote Aquarium. We spent about an hour and a half there. If you're looking to budget your time, coming to visit the Mote Aquarium. We're not big readers. We didn't do a lot of the interactive stuff. We like the otters. We like the manatee. What's that?
I like the manatee eating the lettuce.
Manatee eating lettuce, yeah. Oh, the seahorses are cool. We've come down to the Salty Dog, get an early dinner because it's Florida. It's nice hanging out on the water at the old Salty Dog. We had fish sandwiches. Sarah had the chicken nuggets. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I know, it'll be nice.
It's a good first day at Siesta Key. Mote Aquarium was good. If you have any questions, let me know. Be sure to like and subscribe, share it with your friends.
It's not even on. Okay.
Peace out.